All right, weekly review, weekly analysis again. So yeah, last week I was trading on the DubSpX account, and you can see this is a new one, 51K, or you don't really see that this is a new one. But last time I actually talked about this previous account, which was from February, created in February. It was at 50K 171, and I didn't blow the account. Yeah, technically I did actually, because I took two losing trades on Tuesday, and I was basically in drawdown 49K $600 something, but I was in drawdown, and this day Tuesday was actually my rebuild day, so I found out the next day, so on Wednesday, and I got an email from TopStep, and it said that I didn't have enough balance on my Revolut account, which is where I pay my TopStep subscription with. And I thought, wait, I'm in drawdown on the account. What if I not just, why don't I just full port the account and I get a new account? Like, I do, like, I don't really like the idea because it's like not really like how it really goes. Like, you can't just reset an account if you're in drawdown with like an actual account. But why should I pay for an account that is in drawdown if I could just reset it, get a big, like, get even, like, get back at 50K? So that was like my thought process behind it, and that's what I did. So I full ported the account literally in that London session. I was at work, so I just literally full ported it, blew it right away, and I got a new account. So from Wednesday on, literally that same day, I was trading on the new account, and I took a nice W on this day. So you can see 0.8% W on Wednesday, Thursday break-even trade, and then Friday I took another W trade. So really nice start to the account actually. And the last time I actually made something or talked about this account was in this weekly review, weekly analysis video, and I didn't break a trade gap for some time now. Like last one was like 3 weeks ago or something. Because like my thought process with this is like, okay, if I take a W trade, I literally close the charts after that. I don't really spend much more time looking at the charts. Like, why would I? But I should journal like my what is it? I should journal with like a video. It's not that I don't journal, because I do journal. Like, I actually do journal it all, but I don't really like journaling, making a video. Like, when I do think like, oh yeah, this is the right moment for me to make a video on it, like it's already in the weekend, and if it's weekend, like I'm just thinking like, why not just put it into the weekly review, weekly analysis video? And that's what I'm doing right now as well. But yeah, so got a new account on TopStep, and then nice start to this account. And then honestly getting really good price action in this. So I want to talk about these trades as well, because I didn't talk about this yet, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. So I took 2 losses on here. I didn't journal these anymore, and I did journal them, but I literally deleted that. I can probably see it in this history. No, it's this version history. I don't know, I can probably find it somewhere, but just took 2 losses, followed all my rules, and yeah, it was just nothing really too crazy there, just unfortunate 2 losses. But yeah, going over the trades, then I took on this account, this new account, and there were these. So I took a W, 1 trade a day, 1 W a day, and then I walk away. So I risked $200 on this. My stop loss was pretty huge with this trade. So I was in with 1 micro, and that already was $200. If I risk 2 micros, then that's already $400. And I'm max allowed to risk $280, $85. So I was allowed to go in with max 1 micro, sorry. Price action was good. New York, it was in a macro. Time parent was on a 2 minutes. RR 1 and 2, followed my rules, yes. We had CPI this day. So why did I take this trade? You can see it was a short. I took this trade because I was bearish for the day, only waited for my entry model here, got it and wrote it down to my TP. Really clean trade, even though my stop loss was huge. On this trade, I was thinking about, again, that maybe I can get a better fill because I don't like my stop loss again. I was thinking like my stop loss is huge here, so I was thinking before I learned from it, so that's a good thing. Like before, I talked about either in this video, there was a trade which I think I missed again, because I wanted to get a better fill. So I waited for price to retrace back, but it never retraced, and it just dumped lower or pushed higher. I don't remember really. But yeah, eventually missed the trade because of that. And yeah, I was thinking about it here again, but I just executed now and I got rewarded for it. So that's what I said as well. Because I don't like my stop again. But lesson from last time, if the setup forms, I just take it. Beautiful trade. Again, if it's my setup, in this case I got rewarded for it. Also you can see the black line, that is that sell side liquidity, which is here on the S. That is this sell side on NQ, or no, yeah, this sell side on NQ. So you can see ES already hit it right here at this low here, which NQ is here, and we were really close to it, but you can see that black line NQ is that black line ES. ES already hit it, and I think it would have been, I think I would have been bullish again after that got taken, but you see that market ended up trading through that low and eventually hit my TP. So what I do is I take sell side there. That's my draw on liquidity, but I would have been bullish after that, but I let it run because I always take a minimum of 1 and 2 RR, and in this case I got a really nice CP out of it. I think it consolidated a bit out of here and then pushed higher, so it was really nice that I still got a 1 and 2 out of it. You could say it was luck as well, but I wouldn't say that. Yeah, that was a nice trade there. Bias was correct. And then there was another setup in here as well, but it's already in this trade, so that's why this wasn't set up. But yeah, you can see this is on a 2-minute chart. Maybe it doesn't look so big here, but I would say it was a pretty big stop here, but just a really nice trade. And then going over to the next trade, this is a break-even trade. Was it? I don't even know, maybe it was no trades. Okay, so I don't know where this trade went, but this was a break-even trade, I think it was. And then on Friday, I took a nice W trade as well. So again, another trade, another W. Took it in the macro as well. So all the blue ones are macros, and I took it in the macro as well. Good price action, New York, consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. And these were at all, both at 10. So gonna mark out that. Okay. So why did I take this trade? I took this trade because it was bullish for today. We just kept pushing higher and we had clear buy side liquidity for me. You can see eventually a setup form and I took a beautiful trade. So this is just a really easy trade. Delivered off a busy as well. We took out the sell side below here. Sell side below here as well. So that makes these equal lows. And then we have a singular SIBI here, which should close above. So that would be an inversion for me. I enter, stop at the low. Break even was at this. Never got stop at break even. Stop break even either there on NQ here or here on the S, and you can see just trade beautifully towards the buy side up there, and that was just already the trade. I've learned that in this trade the market went really fast to my TP and eventually even closed full position. So yeah, I took 75% off here at the 1 and 2 RR, but I was like, market went so fast to the TP and stuff, so you can see traded even above here, and then I closed it eventually accidentally here. I did get a bit more profit out of this. In this case, I got more out of it if I didn't close by accident, but still I do need to prepare for fast market conditions, even when I'm not expecting for it to be. So again, just another lesson learned. Even when I take a W trade, just another lesson learned. So that's really nice. Yeah, just really nice. So on the account right now, I'm up 2.0.7%. Max, like the goal profit target is 6%, so 1/3 on the way now. Not gonna boost my ego with this. Like, I just started this account, took 2 nice W trades, and I know next week could just change it. Like, I could take some losses, it could go to break even again, I don't know, but yeah, this just looks like a really nice start to the account. But I know, like, it can change, it can be a bit more, it could go against what I want it, like what I want to happen. So yeah, for the weekly analysis, I want to talk about that now. Let's see, go into the charts, and yeah, let's see, what did we do last week as well, actually, in price. I want to go over that as well. Let's see. Yeah, so what did market do? I think previous week I said that this weekly low is going to be the drawn liquidity, which we did hit, so that is nice. On ES, we didn't hit it on NQ, but I was saying, okay, I think this at least was going to be a drawn liquidity, and these equal lows are going to be like these look really clean as well. Not really 100% sure that we're going to go here, but these do look really clean, and I am bearish on the weekly. Wait, oh, this already got taken. Wait, but still we have sell side here then. Yeah, like I don't know for sure if we want to take that, but I wanted to see at least this sell side, which we did take. I am bearish now on the weekly, so yeah, actually looking for shorts bigger time frame. So already going into the day, I'm leaning towards bearish price action. So far, this looks really bearish as well. Did just look at the sell side here, and I'm actually expecting for the market to next week to trade even lower. NQ does look like it's a bit more bearish. If you look at PD arrays here, in this entire leg from swing low to swing high, so here to here, you have a lot of inefficiencies. I just narrow it down really to a few gaps. So on a monthly, do we have anything? So we don't have anything from this monthly low to this monthly high. So Wednesday, we have a busy here, we have another busy here. And then I'm looking at this one. Like we don't have to tap this and then trade lower. But this just tells me, we do have another one here as well, but this already got closed in. So that's why I'm not looking at it. And then here, I think we still, did we? Yeah, we still have something there. So that's why I mark out this one. And also I could mark out this one, but if we have this one and this one, I'm not marking out this one because this already could be used as resistance to go lower. So why would I even mark out the higher one? But we do have this inversion here. So if you do want to trade higher a bit, trade into here and then drop lower. But this is a weekly closure. So what I actually want to see price do is, yeah, zooming in. What do we have here? We have a SIBI here, another SIBI here on the 8 hour, 12 hour. We suddenly have a singular one. So actually what I want to see is us just create a bit more structure inside of this gap probably. And then on, yes, let's see, what do we have here? SIBI here, another one here. And then on 12 hour, we have another SIBI here. So we did really react nicely off this gap here. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Did recognize of this gap here with CE there, and then we did generate equal highs up here. So for upcoming week, I don't know what the news is looking like, but let's just look at the news. But kind of already, like not even looking at the news, kind of what I want to see is bigger time frame on bearish. So what I want to see is this is low hanging fruit. We do have an SMT here actually, so this put in a lower low than here, and then here we have a higher low. But still, this would be low-hanging fruit then. So we're going to mark out this sell side. And then mark out this sell side as well. So what I want to see for next week is for us to just make a bit more structure in this leg here. So these are now daily candles. So I don't know what the news is going to be like, but maybe again, like that's always what I'm saying, Tuesday or Wednesday, high of the week. And then expecting for the market to drop lower. If you have like crazy news on a Monday, maybe Monday wants to put in the high of the week, but the chances are always way higher that Tuesday or Wednesday are going to put the high or the low of the weekend. So what I want to see is for us to generate a bit more structure. Monday, accumulate maybe, I don't know what news we have, but Tuesday go higher, Wednesday go higher, taking out the highs up here, and then from there dropping lower. Really easy, I would say. Looking at the calendar, what do we actually have? Let's see. That's already what I want to see, and I don't think news is really going to change how I look at that. So Monday we do have news, Tuesday we don't have any news, and then Wednesday we have FOMC statement. So FOMC statement could be crazy. If FOMC statement is going to push lower, like FOMC is always pretty crazy. If FOMC is going to push lower, then I think we're just going to push into those weekly lows, which I said, which were these lows. So here on NQ, so that's what I'm thinking. If FOMC does want to push lower, if FOMC wants to push higher, then I've seen sometimes crazy things as well, which FOMC pushes higher, and that's the start of like a bigger time frame push higher. So that'll be like the low of the range and then pushing higher. But just looking at like how bearish it looks and what my strategy is telling me, I think we're gonna push lower. And Wednesday we have FOMC. So what I actually want to see is Monday. Monday we have high impact floor news. So Monday I want to see us push higher, kind of be bullish actually, trading into the buy setup here. And then Tuesday I want to see us accumulate, create a bit more structure in here. And then Wednesday, see us take out Wednesday high, maybe even tap into this inversion. I don't know how high we want to trade, but I don't really think we want to do that. But Wednesday take out Tuesday high of the week, and then putting a Wednesday high of the weekend, and then distributing lower, Thursday pushing lower, Friday pushing lower, even though we don't have any news on Friday. Yeah, that's already kind of what I want to see for upcoming week. like we are really bearish here. You could say like, oh, because we are this bearish, I'm expecting for some sort of retracement. But you could have said that literally every single day in here, like, oh, this is so bearish, we should retrace. Oh, we are really bearish, we should retrace. We did kind of retrace, but like if you say retrace now, like where would you mean? Like I'm also saying retrace, like I'm not expecting for us to go to like 50% of this here. I'm pretty bearish still, bigger time frame, so this will be low hanging fruit. I think this will at least be a weekly objective. And this will be a weekly objective as well as like manipulation. Monday we do have news as well. So if Monday just want to push lower, then just generate liquidity for later. I'm not really thinking that we want to do that because that just looks so clear to me. Like people that are in short here, they have their stop losses traced below here or above here. So this is just actual liquidity for the market just take almost freely because we are just so close to it. For free, because we're just so close to it, and then from there drop lower. But yeah, that's what I'm expecting for this upcoming week. I will be trading on this StopSpecs account again, and yeah, that would just be weekly review, weekly analysis again. Yeah, let's just go over what is it, DXY as well. Why not? I'm here right now, so let me just do that. I don't even know what I remember, or I don't even remember what I said about this. This is just a really small week. This is last week. Wow, that's almost nothing compared to this, but that also does make a bit of sense. Monthly, we're still in these gaps. This still, for me, does look bearish. We had a weekly change in state delivery lower, so if I was trading this, I was looking for shorts. This at least is going to be a drawn liquidity, a pretty high chance that this at least wants to be taken, and then from there, I'm not sure. I'm looking for shorts after that. Yeah, just looking at this structure, where do we really want to go? This monthly is still bullish, so I would expect for us to, did we even tap this? We did tap this, yeah, for us to generate a bit more structure in here and then still push higher. We are in this bigger time frame consolidation, so maybe again we want to push lower to sell side here, but if we want to push the sell side there, then I'm at least expecting for this as well to be taken, but that could be in a couple months, so I really don't know. That's already it for DXY. Not gonna go over it too much. But yeah, that's basically weekly review, weekly analysis. Summary, just a nice start of this account. We'll be trading on this account again next week. Bearish for the upcoming week on futures and or on the indices. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, honestly, and yeah, see you.